All right, let's talk for a bit about how to browse through the File Explorer. So, as we kind of discussed in the last video, you have all these pinned or quick access folders. So these are folders that are pinned. Right here you can see that icon there, and then also folders that you use very frequently. They get put there automatically by Microsoft. So it's easy to get to those folders, and then of course you can put them there yourself. So this is already pinned to quick access, but just by right clicking on any folder, you can put it there yourself, which makes that easier to get to. Now, all of your system files and all of your other files, typically, if you don't have external storage attached, are just going to save into the Windows C drive. By default, systems will just have one drive, and it's the C drive. I don't know what happened to A and B, but we start with the C drive. So you're going to have all of your different files stored here. So typically any files that or any programs that you installed are going to go into the program files x86 area. So you don't necessarily want to modify or mess with any of these things, but if you uninstall a piece of software and you want to get rid of the program files to save space, this is where you would come. So double clicking on any of these applications or any of these folders is going to take you deeper and deeper into that file system. So let's back out here. In fact, let's talk a little bit about navigating right now. So up at the top, you have different ways of navigating. So this makes navigating through the File Explorer very quick. So rather than going back over and over and over again to get back to Windows C, if we go a couple of layers deeper here, what we can do is we can just click on Windows C and it'll take us right back there. So then hitting the back button will take you to the place that you just were. And then there's also a forward icon here, and then you can hit this up arrow, and this takes you up to the next folder. So hitting back would take me all the way to Windows C because that's where I was previously, but if I hit up, it's going to take me to Audacity. So that's how navigating through these files works. There's really not all that much to it. I assume most of you have used files either on an Android device or on a Mac if you aren't familiar with how to do that on a PC.